story at 6. New audio tonight shows first responders scrambling to get organized as the July 4th flooding began sweeping people away in Kerr County. It gives us a glimpse into just what was happening in those critical first hours. KENS 5's Andrew Moore has been digging through hours of that audio since yesterday. What did you find out, Andrew?
Yeah, as of today, Kerr County officials have still not been able to explain what the county was doing as flooding started to tear through the area. But thanks to a local radio expert in the county, KENS 5 has been able to go through more than 10 hours of radio calls from that morning. Here's what we found, and we do want to warn you, some of these dispatch calls are going to be hard to hear.
Hunt, the response to 2029 is going to be for a water rescue.
3:35 a.m. The Guadalupe River is starting to rise, water rescue calls are coming in, and responders in Ingram are trying to get people away from the river.
Tone out Ingram and have them clear by the river RV park.
Meanwhile, local radio expert John Trollinger starts recording. He's also getting alerts from the Weather Service.
The National Weather Service said the river is flooding, it's a flash flood, it's coming, it's an emergency.
4:22 a.m. A firefighter asks the county for a code red, but they don't have a supervisor to approve it.
Is there any way we can send a code red out to our Hunt residents asking them to find higher ground or stay home?
We have to get that approved with our supervisor.
4:25. Water rescue teams are showing up, but no one higher up has told dispatch where to put them.
Yeah, do we have a staging point for the water rescue team?
10-4, we have not been notified by anyone yet, so if you have further information, let us know.
4:45. The flooding is now dragging people down the river.
We got an RV floating down the river with people in it right now.
Getting multiple reports over at the Roland address. People are being swept away.
We're running down the river following people in the water.
Later, at 5:30, another rescue team shows up and asks who's running command.
Dispatch from Utility 51. Can you advise who's running command?
Sir, we don't have the incident command right now.
Still, there did not seem to be any command center set up for the county. The dispatcher was able to give that team direction, and over the next few hours, KENS 5 heard responders regroup, set up their own staging areas, and work to pull people out of the water. Messages show an emergency operations center vehicle was at the City West Church by 10:30, and the county did have air support by at least 10 o'clock.
601, I have that GPS bird. He is picking people out of the river.
So KENS 5 will continue to ask why there was not more coordination from county leaders. At the same time, this river did rise 20 feet within just an hour and a half, and first responders on the ground were doing everything they could to get people out of the way of that water. EC's